Hello guys, I am V Sai Srinivas of 9th class from Mathman. So today I am going to explain today's editorial. So let's get started. So today our editorial's name is Managing the Rollout. The government must investigate and publicize the reasons for vaccine hesitancy. So they the government should let the people know why are they so concerned about the vaccination processes. Nearly a fortnight after it won approval for Covaxin under restricted emergency use conditions, Bharat Biotech has formally informed via its website that the vaccine is inadvisable in those with a history of allergies, fever, and bleeding disorders. Those on medication or blood thinners and whose immunity has been compromised have also been told not to take the vaccine. This is along with a recommendation that a vaccine is not to be given to the pregnant or the lactating. A similar set of restrictions has been given to prospective recipients of Covishield 2, the vaccine now available in greater numbers and developed by the Serum Institute of India. Ordinarily, a fact sheet as well as a product insert a note that accompanies every vial of the vaccine is mandatory formality. So guys, we know that the Indian government has approved for the restricted emergency use of the Covax vaccine, which was prepared by the Bharat Biotech. So they informed in their website that the vaccine should be taken by those only with strong immunity and don't have any allergies. So the people who had a history of allergies, fever, and bleeding disorders are not allowed to take the vaccine. So the people who use blood thinners as a medicine and also whose immunity is not strong are also not advised to take the vaccine. So the vaccine is not to be recommended to the pregnant ladies and the one ladies who give milk to their babies. So many restrictions were set for the usage of the vaccine in the people. So the vaccine is now available in greater numbers, the one which is produced by the Serum Institute of India. So the restrictions which were given by the Bharat Biotech for the Covax vaccine are similar to the one which were given by the Serum Institute of India for the Covishield vaccine. So a fact sheet must be published so that the people will be aware of this, and they a mandatory formality is that they the vaccine should be inert, and also it should have a note that shows everything present in the vaccine. So, however, the context in which the two vaccines are being administered in India imbues them with magnified significance. Covaxin has been rolled out with insufficient evidence of its efficacy or whether it is actually protective. The vaccines have been so far made available to healthcare and sanitation workers and others frontline staff who do not have a choice in the vaccine being administered but can decide not to be inoculated. 9 states, according to data provided by the Health Ministry, have rates of over 70% and 3 states less than 40%. More than half of the states fall somewhere in the middle. While India has given jabs to nearly 786,000 of those eligible, it is in short target of 1.4 million people. So The vaccine which is to be given to the people will be consisting of two doses. So the vaccine which is approved, that is the Covaxin. The scientists don't have enough evidence stating that the Covaxin is more efficient or it is more protective. So the staff who work in hospitals and the people who might have a high chance of transmission and the sanitization workers are the one who are going to get the vaccine first. So it is their choice whether they have to be vaccinated or not. So in 9 states, more than 70% of the people, around 70% of the one's health staff, and also in some other states 40%, and some other states less than that, have been shown eligible health staff for the vaccine. So this data was given by the health ministry. So India has made vaccines for 786,000 people. So only 786,000 people are eligible for it, and the target is to reach 1.4 million people. So they are not very close to the target. It is certainly early days, and presumably there will be acceleration in the days ahead. However, the government is yet to explain, based on the feedback from the states, why the vaccine, the single most awaited product of 2021, has not seen more enthusiastic use. Thus, in spite of health ministry officials underlining that adverse events following vaccination have been negligibly low, accentuating the safety of the product. Hospitals have been internal campaigns exhorting senior doctors to get a shot to build confidence, and officials in the high government offices say that not opting for a vaccine when one is available amounts to dereliction in duty. So, India can expect the number of eligible people to increase in the coming upcoming days. So the government should explain why are they delaying this vaccinating process, because the COVID-19 vaccine is the most wanted thing by the people and everyone in the country. It offers protection from the disease. So the health ministry officials are calculating the adverse events which might occur during the vaccination process so that it would increase the safety of the product. The hospitals are doing campaigns saying that the senior doctors will get vaccinated to build the confidence in both the patients and themselves. So the highest government offices say that the one who are not opted for the vaccine when one is available will be, there will be some deviation in their duty. So that's it, guys. Thank you.